In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. If you're looking to enhance your presentations or social media posts by adding that extra bit of flair, making your text appear sequentially can be an eye-catching and engaging way to do so. So, let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First things first, let's start by opening Canva and creating your design. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to add some text to your canvas. Begin by clicking on the text option, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. When you click this, Canva will give you several options to choose from, whether you want to add a heading, subheading, or body text. For our purpose, select the type of text that best fits your project. Once your text is on the canvas, you'll likely want to personalize it to suit your needs. Double click on the text box to edit the text. This is where you can type in whatever message you like. Make sure your wording is just how you want it because the next steps will bring it to life. Next, pay close attention to the size of your text. Resize it by clicking and dragging the corners of the text box. This makes sure that everything will fit perfectly on your design and remain visually appealing. The goal here is to strike a balance. Your text should be readable without overwhelming the design. Now it's time to add the animation. Click on the text box to ensure it's selected, then look up towards the top of the screen and find the animate button. When you click that, you'll see a range of animation options pop up. For our demonstration, choose Pop. This effect will give your text a lively entrance, making each word or phrase energetically bounce into view. To truly create the effect of text appearing one by one, you'll need to copy or duplicate your text box. This can be done easily by selecting the text box and using the duplication tool, usually represented by two overlapping squares. Each duplicated text block can be slightly adjusted or timed to appear in sequence. After duplicating, arrange your text boxes in the order you want them to appear. This placement is crucial to achieving a smooth sequential animation. You might want to stagger them slightly across the canvas, depending on your design's layout. Finally, to see your work in action, click the play button located at the top right. This will let you preview the animation, allowing you to make any last-minute adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, you're all set. With these steps, you've successfully animated your text to appear one by one, adding an engaging layer to your Canva design. Enjoy experimenting with this feature to enhance your next creative project.